Hey guys. So today I'm making slime. I made it right now. Where did I just put it? I put it in the fridge. So it's only a 2-ingredient slime. I tried it with a tutorial. And you guys can try it too. It's a perfect one. I'll go and show it to you. It's right there. This is the slime. I'm just gonna put it in the fridge, and it's really soft. So all you need is shampoo and brownish white flour. So I got the flour. Don't mind, it's a lot of flour. I'm just gonna put that. It's a lot of flour because I want to make a lot of slime, and it has gone wrong a lot of times. So I had to shift places because my mom told me because my mom didn't allow me to do it right now. Make slime right now. I can't find the shampoos. But I have shampoos, but I don't want to waste mine. So we have like those small hotel ones, and I really want them, but I can't find them. I put this on the plate, and the pain that happened when this happened. What? Pain. My mom just gave me hers. So I'm gonna take this plate. And I just put shampoo in it, which is good because I want to put not all that, in there. Alright, then grab any utensil. Alright, so I put flour in it, whatever it's called, and I'm mixing it this way. You can you can mix it with your hand too if you want. Not me thinking that this was gonna be slime. Oh, it's hard because my hands are dirty. So just knit it with your hand. And by the way, you can use any flour, but with white flour it's gonna be hard because you have to put it in the fridge for like 5 hours to make. So this one's finished. I made this one. Now I'm making another one to make stick with this. So it's gonna be a big one. And guys, stay for part 2 because I don't have much time, but I still have a little bit of time. So I basically just made Glad dough. I'm gonna color it yellow because I want to make something for my dollhouse. It's food. So it's really soft and I love it. I just put a little water in it, and with a little bit of water, it's real.